EWheels EU-14, the electric four-wheeler scooter. The EWheels EU-14 electric scooter combines performance, comfort, and security. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for daily commutes or recreational rides. Safety is a priority on the EU-14. It includes an advanced anti-theft alarm system and a keyless fob, providing peace of mind when you step away. Storage options are also ample, with an under-seat compartment and a lockable rear box, ideal for carrying your belongings securely. A digital dash displays essential information, and a full lighting package enhances visibility for night rides. Front and rear suspension deliver a smooth, comfortable ride even on rough terrain. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds, the EU-14 is a reliable and secure choice for a wide range of riders. Gyroor S300 Hovershoes. The Gyroor S300 Hovershoes bring a whole new twist to personal mobility at an affordable price of $270. These innovative hovershoes blend the thrill of roller skating with the power of electric motors. Just step on, power up, and start gliding at speeds of up to 10 km per hour, with a range that covers 10 km on a single charge. Engineered for both kids and adults, these self-balancing hovershoes provide exceptional stability and control. With OLA 2272 certification, they guarantee safe charging and reliable use. LED indicator lights keep you updated on battery life, while the 3.5-inch wide wheels and robust motors deliver smooth performance across various surfaces. Whether indoors or outdoors, the Gyroor S300 Hovershoes offer endless fun and an exciting new way to get around. ACV Recovery Variant, the ultimate game-changer for military and defense recovery operations. The ACV Recovery Variant is a specialized vehicle built for military and defense recovery operations. It's designed to recover and repair damaged or stranded vehicles, even in the most challenging environments. Equipped with a powerful winch and towing capabilities, this vehicle can get the job done, no matter the circumstances. With advanced diagnostic and repair tools, the ACV Recovery Variant ensures vehicles are back in action quickly and efficiently. Whether you're working in a hostile environment or performing on-site repairs, this vehicle is ready for the challenge. Let's take a closer look at the features and capabilities of the ACV Recovery Variant, and discover why it's the go-to choice for military and defense forces around the world. Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts, a modern cultural landmark. Welcome to the Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts, a modern cultural landmark set in the heart of the Zhangli district in Taoyuan City, Taiwan. Established in 2018, this museum stands as a tribute to contemporary art, culture, and community. Currently under development, the Taoyuan Museum is expected to open its doors to the public in 2025. This impressive space, spanning over 29,000 square meters, has been meticulously designed by the renowned JP architects and planners in collaboration with Taoyuan. Inside, you'll find vast exhibition spaces dedicated to innovative art and cultural exhibits, state-of-the-art workshops, and unique venues for performing arts. Every corner of the museum is crafted to spark creativity and bring together art enthusiasts from around the world. The Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts is more than just a building, it's a symbol of Taiwan's dedication to blending its rich urban heritage with an international vision for the future. The museum aims to be a dynamic space where tradition meets innovation, offering visitors a unique experience that celebrates the past while exploring the possibilities of tomorrow. As the opening date draws closer, the excitement builds. Get ready to explore a place where culture, creativity, and imagination come together in a vibrant and inspiring setting. Experience the future of art and culture at the Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts. HolaBot, the innovative delivery robot. The HolaBot is an innovative delivery robot designed to boost productivity and efficiency in various environments like restaurants, offices, and hospitals. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, the HolaBot can carry up to 60 kilograms of items. It's capable of detecting and avoiding obstacles, ensuring smooth travel in busy settings. Plus, it can handle multiple requests at the same time, making it incredibly efficient. The robot features an easy-to-use interface, which can be controlled via a pager or head sensor. This allows for seamless operation and control by the user. By automating repetitive tasks, the HolaBot helps improve workflow. It frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks, making it a valuable asset in any workplace. Bike Surf Fitness. Bike Surf Fitness offers an inflatable water bike designed for families and friends to experience freedom, relaxation, and happiness together on the water. This water bike is made for everyone, whether you're a professional athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone who loves the nautical world. It's perfect for families looking to spend time together or for anyone wanting to try a new and exciting water hobby. Built with cutting-edge materials like carbon fiber, Bike Surf Fitness combines durability with style. The bike board also incorporates innovative features for a thrilling and comfortable ride, capturing the spirit of fun and adventure, while maintaining elegance and luxury. Bike Surf Fitness brings together quality, excitement, and the joy of exploring the water, providing a unique and memorable experience for all. Velocity Etch. Cutting-edge process in semiconductor manufacturing. Velocity Etch is an advanced process that's transforming semiconductor manufacturing. This technology allows for the creation of high aspect ratio structures, such as deep trenches and holes in silicon wafers. By alternating between etching and passivation cycles, Velocity Etch achieves high etch rates while preserving the integrity of sidewalls. This innovative process is essential for producing advanced memory and logic devices, as well as MEMS and power devices. With an impressive capability to reach aspect ratios over 10:1, Velocity Etch is paving the way for faster, smaller, and more powerful electronics. In the semiconductor world, Velocity Etch is a game-changer, enabling the next generation of efficient and compact technology. Xpeng AeroHT's land aircraft carrier. Meet the Xpeng AeroHT's land aircraft carrier. This innovative vehicle from the Chinese company Xpeng has been generating buzz among flying car enthusiasts for some time. Initially, Xpeng showcased prototypes that reminded many of the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Now, they are taking orders for this exciting new vehicle, with deliveries expected in 2026. The land aircraft carrier, called AeroHT, is a modular vehicle. It consists of two distinct units. The first unit resembles a six-wheeled Cybertruck. It features all-wheel drive and a hybrid powertrain, blending the best of electric and internal combustion engines. This unit can comfortably seat 5 passengers, making it ideal for family or group travel. The second unit is fully electric and equipped with autopilot capabilities. It is compact and designed to seat just 2 people. This unit is also on track for flight certification, emphasizing its advanced technology and versatility. While the official AeroHT website hasn't released detailed specifications yet, reports suggest that the wheeled unit can travel approximately 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. In summary, the Xpeng AeroHT's land aircraft carrier is a groundbreaking innovation in transportation. Its modular design and advanced features position it as a potential game-changer in the realm of flying cars. E-flite Sportix 1.1 meters. The E-flite Sportix 1.1 meters is a sleek and versatile RC plane, priced at $270. It's designed for intermediate pilots looking for precision aerobatics or experienced flyers seeking a hassle-free, enjoyable aircraft. With a compact 1.1-meter wingspan, the Sportix is easy to store and transport, making it ideal for flying at both parks and RC fields. This model features Spectrum AS3X technology, which offers stability even in windy conditions. The Safe Select option adds an extra layer of control, making it easier for newer pilots to handle. The Bind and Fly (BNF) basic version includes robust metal-geared servos, an Avian 45 AESC, and compatibility with both 3S and 4S batteries, offering flexibility in power options. With quick assembly and built-in LED navigation lights, the E-flite Sportix 1.1 meters is a convenient, reliable choice for anyone wanting to elevate their RC flying experience. GAC Unveils Three. Cars with glass shell, adaptive trunk, and transparent display in Milan. At Milan Design Week 2024, GAC Group has introduced an exciting trio of concept cars under its Car Culture Series 3.0. Each vehicle represents a unique approach to city driving, tailored to different urban needs. The 3 vehicles include a model designed for urban driving, another for efficient delivery, and a third for road cruising. These concepts have been designed with the streets and highways of Milan and Guangzhou in mind, emphasizing both style and functionality. One standout feature across all three models is the innovative modular electric powertrain. In this setup, the batteries and drive components are combined into one interchangeable unit. This allows for quick powertrain replacements, reducing downtime and minimizing maintenance needs. The design also incorporates futuristic elements, like a glass shell, adaptive trunk, and a transparent display, giving each vehicle a cutting-edge, sleek aesthetic. With these features, GAC's new city cars blend technology and style, offering a vision of what urban mobility could look like in the near future. These concept vehicles underscore GAC's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and adaptability in modern city transportation. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept, the next generation of public transport. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept, a revolutionary bus design unveiled and tested on Europe's longest bus rapid transit (BRT) line in the Netherlands. This concept bus has autonomously traveled a route of approximately 20 kilometers in Amsterdam, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. The future bus is equipped to handle various driving conditions. It can pass through tunnels, brake for obstacles or pedestrians, and communicate with traffic signals. While a driver is on board to monitor the system, their tasks are significantly simplified. The design of the future bus is the result of collaboration from Daimler's bus team, focusing on both the exterior and interior. The 12-meter-long bus, based on the popular Citaro production vehicle, features a sleek and modern asymmetrical design. The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept is paving the way for smarter, safer public transportation. It represents a major leap toward the future of urban mobility. Experience the evolution of public transport with the Mercedes-Benz Future Bus Concept. Iron Man Suit, the marvel of fictional technology. The Iron Man suit is a masterpiece of fictional technology, created by billionaire industrialist Tony Stark. Despite the name, it's not made of iron but rather a combination of advanced materials. These include iron, steel, nickel, titanium, and a unique single-crystal titanium alloy. At the heart of the suit is a miniaturized arc reactor. This powerful device provides energy equivalent to that of 3 nuclear power plants. It not only powers the suit but also keeps Tony Stark alive by preventing shrapnel from reaching his heart. Stark's endless innovation has led to a constant stream of new armor designs. Each version is more advanced and impressive than the last. The Iron Man suit represents the peak of human ingenuity and technological advancement in the world of superheroes. Owlet Bikes. Bicycles that are changing the way we ride. Owlet Bikes are transforming the cycling experience with advanced safety and connectivity features, making every ride safer and more enjoyable. Equipped with automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a collision alert system, Owlet Bikes let you ride confidently. Their ergonomic design, adjustable seats, and front suspension ensure a comfortable ride, adapting to your needs and making long rides smoother. Owlet Bikes also support sustainable transportation, helping you reduce your carbon footprint as you travel. With options to customize accessories, colors, and components, you can personalize your ride to match your style and preferences. Each model is equipped with GPS, Bluetooth, and a mobile app, keeping you connected on the go. From the Owlet One to the Owlet City and Owlet Trail, there's a bike designed for every kind of rider. Experience the future of cycling with Owlet Bikes and join a growing community of riders who are embracing this new wave of innovation and excitement on 2 wheels. OLA AirPro. The concept of a fully autonomous electric flying car. The OLA AirPro is presented as the world's first fully autonomous electric flying car, featuring vertical takeoff and landing capabilities that could transform personal transportation as we know it. Built from sustainable, high-tech materials like carbon fiber and titanium, the AirPro hints at a future of eco-friendly travel, where flying cars become a part of daily life. However, it's important to mention that the AirPro was introduced on April Fool's Day, suggesting it may be a playful concept rather than an actual product launch. While it may not be a real vehicle, the OLA AirPro reflects the growing interest and rapid progress in autonomous electric vehicles, showcasing exciting possibilities for the future of transportation. Ray VTO. the cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Developed by Ray Research in Basel, Switzerland, the Ray VTO is a state-of-the-art electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. It is designed to deliver both efficiency and versatility. This innovative aircraft features a unique design with 4 large wing fans and 2 smaller tail-mounted duct fans. These fans allow the Ray VTO to take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for a runway. The aircraft can carry up to 5 occupants, including the pilot, and boasts an impressive cruise speed of 360 km per hour. It also offers a range of 1,800 kilometers, making it suitable for both short trips and longer journeys. The Ray VTO combines the flexibility of a helicopter with the efficiency of a conventional airplane. This makes it a promising solution for urban air mobility and long-range VIP transport.